The Manufacturing Technology Series unites the best of 4 long-standing regional events located in key cities across the U.S. Featuring Smart Manufacturing Experience, Secure Shop Showcase, and Bright Minds Student Summits under one umbrella to ensure an unparalleled experience for both attendees and exhibitors. Embrace cutting-edge technologies, sustainability, and innovation as we create, design, and deliver products. Join us as we meet the demands of a rapidly changing world and unlock new possibilities for growth and transformation. The Manufacturing Technology Series is your chance to see real-world strategies for workforce development, discover new ways to upskill and attract talent. Don't miss your opportunity to connect with more than 25,000 manufacturing professionals. Explore technology hands-on and gain actionable insights to drive innovation, efficiency, and business growth. Be a part of the Manufacturing Technology Series, where the future of manufacturing is shaped.